This is Sharkbite Tee Stop 3/8 OD. It is a very useful tool. For example, if you have an existing line and you want to add in water line for faucet, for example, you just cut the tube and put this fitting in this way that you can running another water line at the same time you have a valve. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install it. One side is PEX, one side is copper, and then I'll show you how to remove them. Let's get started. First step, cut the copper. After the copper was cut, you need to remove the burr. Now you see it's really sharp. First one, to remove the outside, using this way, and push hard and turn. Let's using this side to clean the inside. Then mark the copper, 0.95 inch. You don't need to use the sandpaper to sand the surface, but you're gonna make sure that the copper tube is round and there's no dirt, no damage. For the PEX tube, you just need a pipe cutter and make sure it's square to the pipe. That's it. Next step, mark the insert depth. For 1/2 inch, we need to measure the 0.95 inch, almost 1 inch, right here. Let's take a look inside. Right in the middle there is a plastic tube. This is the stiffening collar. So if you're using PEX, the stiffening collar must be in there. It just gives extra strength for this PEX. And you will see the metal teeth. This is actually the stainless grab ring. It will grab the tube. You see the marks. And then in the middle there is an O-ring for seal the tube. So that's why we need to make a mark that you must be pushing to this deep, and then the O-ring can actually seal the tube. If you don't push in enough, that will cause a leak. So when you get ready, you put the inner tube inside the copper like this, and the mark facing you. This thing must be lined up. So grab firmly and push. Keep pushing. Okay, I cannot push any further, and now the line is here. Let's do the other side. Put the inner stiffener inside, and then the mark facing us, pushing. Okay, the mark is just right here, and it reached to the tube stop right here. And the valve is very simple. It's quarter turn, easy. And for the 3/8, you just remove the nuts and put this one in. But sometimes you may change your mind or made a mistake. You want to remove it. For Sharkbite, it's actually easy. So let's just remove this part first. They got a special tool for disconnect them. We're not using the logo side, we're using the other side. Facing the fitting, push that in. Basically, you just need your one hand to push into the fitting and at the same time grab the tube. Push in. So when you push in, you just grab the tube at the same time. So let's do the other side. Okay, so every time you remove the tube, you must check any damage inside. If any damage happened, it cannot be reused. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.